welcome to the Center of Aviation. This video will be my first trip report. I will be on board a Delta Boeing 737-900ER in first class headed to Los Angeles from Atlanta. This is an exciting journey, so join me as I give you details about the seat, spectacular views, and more. I am on the famous plane train and I am headed down to gate B11 to board this Boeing 737-900ER. Here is the aircraft, November 895 Delta November, a Boeing 737-932ER. This aircraft is 4 years old and will be flying us 2,000 miles over 4 hours, cruising at 32,000 feet or flight level 320. This plane was full, so boarding took some time. I headed back to my seat for the journey, 5A. It was in the last row of first class with a privacy divider above it. There was already water at the seat, their 8-ounce bottles. It was raining outside when I opened the windows. This seat has 2 windows available, which is something I really appreciate and enjoy. Let's get into the seat tour. In front of you, you have multiple pockets to store things, as well as the safety card. If you look up from that, you will find your own personal 11-inch IFE screen with some outlets including a USB plug. A pre-departure beverage was served, so I got Sprite. The headrest is adjustable, which is a great feature. It is a very comfortable seat and it looks great. In specific, these seats have 21 inches of width and 37 inches of pitch. The tray table folds out from the armrest and is a good size. The in-flight entertainment, or IFE, is great. It includes a bunch of options including movies, shows, and live TV. It also has audio playlists, games, and a kids section. The airport has a lot of traffic that was delayed due to weather, so the taxiways are backed up. Because of this, us getting off the ground was delayed. Sorry, I couldn't get this to focus, but here we are on Flight Radar 24. We leveled off at 12 o'clock at flight level 320, about 30 minutes after takeoff. Here is some info about Delta's configuration in this plane. Delta's 737-900ERs include a 3-class configuration, a 2-2 in first, 3-3 in comfort extra legroom seats, and 3-3 in main economy. All of these seats add up to a total of 180. Lunch was offered once we were cruising. The options were a chicken salad, a hamburger, and a shrimp salad. I decided to opt for the market snack box because I was not very hungry. Wi-Fi was available during the flight for $5. This included browsing and streaming. A few minutes after lunch was served, the crew came around with snacks. I got an energy bar and some almonds. A couple uneventful hours went by and some more snacks were served. I got chips and a wafer cookie. These snacks were served about 1 hour before landing. Alright, let's rate this flight. First, we'll talk about the in-flight entertainment, or IFE. There were a great selection of movies, shows, and live TV. I will give Delta's IFE a 9 out of 10. The reason it got knocked down a point is due to its 2D moving map, which could be better. Next, we'll talk about the seat's comfort. I will give this category a 10 out of 10. The seat was wide, had nice pitch, great legroom, and a solid tray table. Next, we'll talk about the food. The energy bar was probably the best energy bar that I've ever had, and everything else was great. Delta earns a 10 out of 10 in this category. The second to last thing that we will talk about is the service. Delta gets a 10 out of 10 in this category too. The flight attendants were always moving up and down the aisle serving food and drinks. This was classic amazing Delta service. The last thing we'll rate is the landing. I'll let you watch it, then I'll give my rating. This is just a fun rating for the end of the flight, so it's basically an add-on. For me, this landing gets a 10 out of 10. Nice flare, butter right on the center line. This flight was awesome. It earns 49 out of a possible 50 points. Thank you for visiting the Center of Aviation. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. We're so close to 1,000. Make sure to join the Discord server, link in description, and have a good day.